Hello kids, this is Daniel. Ooh, look at my house. Ooh, nice house. And today is very sunny. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's go and see my bell garden. This is my bell. Hear the sound. Yeah, this is great. Now, let's go to my house. We're going to make a cake today, alright? So let's go. Ooh, let's close the door to keep everybody out. Alright, let's go to my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Look. And this is my flower. This is a big window that I have. Let's open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, look at my flowers. A violet flower, a yellow flower, and a blue flower, like the sky. The sky is blue. So let's make our cake. To make cake, we need milk bucket. We use milk bucket. We use 3 milk buckets. Yeah. Let's put the milk buckets in our inventory. Okay. We need sugar. We need a lot of sugar. We need eggs. We have a dozen eggs or 12 eggs. Alright. We need wheat. It makes flour and we use flour to make cakes. Alright. And I have an apple that I can eat later when I'm hungry. Alright, let's make our cake. First, you have to put the milk buckets in the up position. 3 milk buckets. Then you pick the sugar and you put it here. And you take the flour and you put it below and the eggs in the middle. Look, we have a cake. Let's take our cake outside. And oh, look, our cake is wonderful. Let's put it in the sunny part. Look, but let's put in the sun. Ooh, oh no, now it's raining. Oh no, Miss Dalila, help us.
Okay, I will help you. Children, let's sing with me, everybody together. 1, 2, 3. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. I want eat my cake. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. I want eat my cake. Rain, rain, go away. Delicious cake, yummy, yummy.